Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Production possibilities curves show how economies trade off goods. We must find what is true as we move along this curve right now. First, understand that the production possibilities curve represents the maximum possible output combinations of two goods. Every single point on this boundary line shows that all available resources are being used. Next, moving along that curve means we are shifting resources from one good to another. Since resources are limited, you cannot simply increase everything at once without giving something else up. Finally, that trade-off means producing more of one good requires producing less of the other. This makes option D the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush into assumptions, trust given facts, and check your steps carefully.